back to another Decorate With Me. Today's video is going to be an Easter and spring Decorate With Me. I'm actually sticking with my coffee area in my kitchen as well as an open shelf in here, and I'm going to be using a lot of bright pastel colors. Now, if you aren't a big fan of the bright pastel colors for Easter and spring, definitely stay tuned to my living room Decorate With Me because I am sticking with more of a neutral theme in there. If you guys caught my Easter Decorate With Me last year, I used some of the same items that I'm going to be using this year, but I did pick up some cute new things that I'll be showing you at the beginning of the video. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, you guys, I have so much to show you here, but this is everything I'm gonna be using. That way I can just let you guys know in case you have any questions while I'm decorating. But it's so much beautiful, fun spring decor. I'm so excited. Okay, so we're gonna start over here. I just picked these up just the other day at Target. So these are in the little dollar spot section, but I believe these are $5 each. Let me see here. Yep. So these were $5 each. All right, I just turned the brightness down a little bit. For some reason, my lighting is kind of messed up. But anyways, I got each of these for $5. I think they're so cute stacked together. So if you go to Target, I recommend that you get both of these because they're just so cute, these little cutting boards. They are food safe, but I'm just gonna be using them for decor. And then I got this bunny ceramic one last year at the Target dollar spot. So if you have this one already, you should definitely stack all three of them together. It's so beautiful. So that's what I'm gonna be doing here. And then how cute is this apron set? This is a mommy and me apron set. So my kids are gonna be using this to help me bake. It'll be really fun. But I like to hang aprons up on my hooks over by my coffee area. Over here, I have a picture that I picked up from Faith and Farmhouse Market. Usually she gets restocked items, so if you like this, it's White Cottage Stoneware Co. I highly recommend that you check out her website. It's www.faithandfarmhousemarket.com. And then inside, I just put these picks that I got from Michael's last year inside. And I thought it'd be pretty to hang it up with this pretty tea towel that I got from Hobby Lobby last year. I'm also gonna be using this plain white pitcher from Hobby Lobby. And then over here is this Honey Bunny little canister, and inside I have wood spoons and this Peep Peep and this Honey Bunny spatulas. Now this Honey Bunny came with this topper, but what's nice is you can use it for other items. So since I use my tea canister constantly, I drink tea every day, I thought I would just put it on top of that. And then this Ray Dunn Happy Easter sign I've had for a couple years and I absolutely love it. It's very simple and pretty. And then I made this cross that I like to put up against it because that's truly what Easter is about. It's not about the bunnies. I do love bunny decor and bright and all that, but I make sure to put my cross here and the Happy Easter sign because that is the true meaning. And that's gonna go at the very top of my coffee bar. Over here, I have little salt and pepper shakers, these little ceramic bunnies, but I use them for decor, not as salt and pepper shakers, which I love that the holes are in the back so that you can use it that way and it's not obvious that those are what they're for. Over here are two ceramic bunnies I picked up from the Target dollar spot the other day as well. And I think these were, well, I think they might have been $3 each or $5. Yeah, they were $5 each. Okay, moving on over here, I have these little cute bunny ceramic measuring spoons I got last year from the Target dollar spot. I see these all the time. I saw some at Home Goods recently, but I didn't pick them up because I already have these. So if you're looking for cute measuring spoons like that, definitely check Home Goods. And then from Home Goods this year, I found this adorable mug. This is my new favorite mug for springtime. But it's got this cute little ceramic bunny. Look at that on the little handle. I love it. And it's just pink and polka dotted. Over here is just a bunch of Ray Dunn, but I am really excited because I didn't own any green cups. So I picked these up from tjmax.com. It came with a set of 2, and it's that speckled look. So let me know if you guys like that, the speckled. But I think it's cute, and I'm so happy to finally have a green one so I can complete my colorful mug collection. So it says love every bunny, and this one says cute as a bunny. And then when I was at Home Goods the other day, I also picked up this, which this actually goes with my Easter one. Right here, that's how it came. But I'm actually gonna be using it just on this plain white one that says hop to it. And I'm gonna be placing it next to this one, which you will see later. but I thought this Happy Easter would be cute on my open shelf. Okay, over here, last year I was looking for little boot planters everywhere and I could not find them. And then this winter I found this set of boots at a Goodwill for $2, but it had orange along here. I just went over it with a light pink. And I thought that was pretty. And then I found this on tjmax.com and it says in the garden. So I just put these little Michaels stems inside of them. And I thought those would be pretty on my shelf. Now I'm pretty sure these are from Walmart. So I saw a shop with me of someone at Walmart and it was the same green, but they just had green along the edge. So whoever dropped this off at Goodwill had just went over it with orange. But I went over it with pink and I think it's cute. But if it would have been just all green, that would have been nice too. So definitely check Walmart if you like these boots. And then over here, these little canisters, this canister and teapot are from HomeGoods last year. And then this year, I picked up this bunny snacks in the blue and the pink speckled. They just say bunny snacks. They're really cute, and yeah, I just ordered those online when I got these. Over here I have a couple carrots I thought would be cute in those bowls. And then this ceramic bowl came from HomeGoods, this ceramic basket I should say. And then inside I am using these cute wooden eggs. I just like the natural look. So these are the crafting eggs that you're supposed to paint, but I like to leave them the natural wood color. And this right here is a bunny like stand that I got from Target last year. And then these are from Hobby Lobby. I'm pretty sure they have them every year. It's the He is Risen and Happy Easter. I love the bright flowers on that. And I believe that is everything I'm gonna be using. I don't know if oh, and these whisks. These are from, I believe, Hobby Lobby, and they say Happy Spring and Happy Easter. But yeah, if there's anything that I mentioned in the video that you want to know where it's from, just leave me a comment below. But let's go ahead and jump into the decorate with me. Also guys, I already have this strung up. This is also from Michaels, and I just thought it would be pretty wrapped around this Hobby Lobby rack here.
Maybe I never knew what I really wanted, but looking back I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore. Maybe I could have seen it all coming, that I wouldn't grow wiser for each day. Am I the only one lost in translation, where nothing makes sense anymore?
Alright, so up next I'm going to start decorating this open shelf. This used to be a cabinet that my husband and I took out, and now I have this open shelf that I like to decorate seasonally. So let's go ahead and get to it.
We wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
So I thought these bunnies from Target were so cute, and they only had the 2 styles that I saw. So this one has his little paws together and this one's apart, but I thought these little $5 ceramic bunnies were so pretty. And as you can see, I'm kind of going with like an all white with natural wood theme over here with a pop of pink.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through.
To add a little pop of pink to the top, I thought these little salt and pepper shakers would be really cute since I have a lot of ceramic going, and I just wanted the tiniest bit of pink up here. Alright, so that is everything for my open shelf. What do you guys think?
That's crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Alright guys, I also wanted to include this real quick. So I've heard of an occasion bin on Instagram. I've seen some people doing it, and I actually think it's very convenient because I picked up a few things and I'm like, where am I gonna store these for the season? And so I decided to make my own occasion bin. So what it is just a bin I'm sitting on my counter, and I have a lot of seasonal items I'm gonna be using for Easter time. So I picked up these cute plates. The lighting on my camera is kind of weird, but this is like a light green, just like this, like a teal, but it comes with different colors. But I got these plates for $3 at Home Goods, and I thought that we'd be using those for when I make bunny waffles and stuff like that. So I recently picked up this waffle maker from TJ Maxx. It's a little bit cheaper than the Target ones because those I think are 13 or 12. This was only $9. But it's got the little bunny imprint, and I thought it was so pretty sitting this out because it matches this tea towel I got from Hobby Lobby. So I just kind of have that draped over. And then here I have in some Easter sprinkles, some brighter ones. Have that there. And then I also have my everyday mug, which just so happens to be that same color. So I think that's so cute. And then so far I only have these 2 cookie cutters, this bunny and chick. They came with my little spatulas I got last year. But yeah, I just thought this would be really cute to keep on the counter to store some of my seasonal options. So if you guys have stuff like this and you want to keep it organized, I definitely recommend that you try an occasion bin. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. That is everything for my kitchen. I'm keeping it very simple and very fun because my kids love it. The second I got all the decorations out, they got so excited. So that's a big reason why I'm sticking with the bright, colorful look in our kitchen. If you guys enjoyed today's video, I would love if you'd take the time to hit that like button for me. And if you aren't already subscribed, please consider subscribing because I'll be making plenty more decorating videos for you in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, have a wonderful and blessed day.